This is good morning in Sorsogon. We are here at the cafe bar and we're having our breakfast. And we're having tapsilog and long silog with brewed coffee. So let's wait for our order. Okay? They have brewed. Long silog. Palm silog. Good. Good. Good.
What's that? Longanisa?
Long silog.
Long silog.
And I love the brewed coffee.
Which one you want to order?
So we're having tapsilog. Gusto mo? May pork dinuguan. May pork dinuguan.
Tote bag?
Yeah, for me. Yes. Good morning. Guess where I am right now? I'm here right to the building that we plan to have for vacation house. Busy po ang aming mga tagagawa. Ayun, tignan niyo sila. Andun si Manong Pando, si Bugto, at saka si Marlon. So far, ito na natapos ng building na flooring. 1/4 na lang ang gagawin. Wow! That's great! It's almost done! And then, maybe tomorrow we will start roofing. Aren't we? Okay. And can you hear all the chicken clucking? Those are paitlugin na chicken. Ang ganda po rito, napakatahimik. You cannot hear all the noises out from the street. I guess I can live here forever. So, and that's it guys. At marami pa kaming gagawin dito sa ginagawang building na bahay. Hanggang sa muli, kamusta dyan sa mga subscriber ko dyan, sa mga viewers, at sa mga silent viewers, at sa mga magsasubscribe pa. Siyempre, kamusta sa inyo lahat?
Anong ginagawa mo, boss? Professional ano to? Pintor.
Pintor talaga?
Pintor.